What am I doing wrong with my channel? Can you guys please tell me? Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca and I redesign old thrifted items and I show you step by step how to do it. This week's video is not going to be a tutorial, but however, we are going to have a chat together. So my goal for this channel is really to inspire people to sew and to inspire people to sew with thrifted materials and also to be creative with what you have, that you don't have to use patterns to make clothes fitting to your body. It's not necessarily that I want people to make exactly what I make, but I want them to feel inspired to make something unique or take parts of the garment that I'm making and maybe they can incorporate it into something that they are making themselves. If you're not familiar with my channel, I started YouTube when I was about 14 or 15 years old. I posted my first video 16 years ago and it was a sewing channel just as it is today. I have a solid subscriber number, but my problem is that I am not getting views on my videos and therefore I'm not monetized, which is one of my goals with my YouTube channel so that I can start earning some money through my videos. To do that, I need to reach a certain amount of watch hours, which is 4,000 watch hours the last year, and I am not even close. So what can I do? I feel like it's hard to get my videos out. My shorts and my videos on Instagram is easier to reach more people, but my long-term videos are very hard to reach more people. So I don't know if they are boring or if it's bad quality on my editing, because I really want to develop and I really want to up my skills in my editing and in my videos and in my content whatsoever. But I really wish for some feedback from you guys about what I can do to make my videos better. But I don't know if it's more interesting for people to watch more around the sewing, like vlogging or mistakes and things like that. I'm not doing a lot of those things because it takes more time. But if people are interested, I would love to incorporate that in my videos as well. So one thing that I have been considering is actually to start making patterns. I have downloaded the software that I need and I'm trying to figure it out and understanding how this software is working. Simple patterns that I can hack and show you guys tutorials on how to hack my patterns and make different garments using those. I think a lot of people like to have finished patterns that they can cut out and sew instead of draping it on yourself and have to do all of that work as well. Making and selling patterns along with my videos is something I'm seriously considering. I think maybe is the way to go. Maybe. For some reason, I feel a little scared to post other videos than sewing because I feel like sewing is the only thing that I have to offer. So posting this video, for example, is a little bit scary because I am so scared of people just pulling out and not being interested in my channel anymore. So it feels a little scary for some reason. Like I have a lot of ideas. I have a lot of creativity that I want to share, but it just feels a little bit scary to post it because I'm in the mind of very business oriented. So I feel like I have to be very focused on the goal and focused on making content that will help me reach that goal. As I'm talking now, I kind of feel like I should just go with what I enjoy and hopefully some of you guys will be on the same page and we will enjoy the same content. Even though I have been feeling a little bit discouraged lately because I haven't seen that big growth yet, I do have learned a lot the past 5-6 months. Gotten better with my editing program, which is great. It has taken a lot of time to understand my editing program and making like the sound on my videos and the lighting, understanding where you should put light. I started making one video. I used 5 days to film, edit, and then just final adjustments. But now I can actually make one video in 2 to 3 days, which is a very big improvement. So if you guys have any input any ideas, any feedback, negative or positive. I would love to hear what do you guys enjoy about my videos. If you have any things that you think about my videos and you just have that feeling. Next week, I have in my head a whole bunch of Christmas presents that I'm making for my family and my kids and my friends, and I'm going to make them using thrifted materials. So I had a thought that I wanted to show you guys the process where I make all of these Christmas presents and sharing with you guys how I make them. And maybe that would be interesting for you guys to watch. And the other idea, I have a dress that I want to make with covered buttons, very true to my style, in a bedsheet, dark floral color. I have also been thinking about making some Christmas decorations, also in thrifted materials. I think that was it for today's video. It was a long chat. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you guys got to know me a bit better. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a like if you like this video. Hit the bell notification if you want to be notified whenever I post a video. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead and click the link down below. I will type in my Instagram account so you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I have a lot of content out on my channel there. That's it for today's video. Talk to you guys next Friday. Bye!